lateral muscles of abdomen. 1, 2, and 3. And from this side also. What are they? The most superficial, closer to skin, is musculus obliquus abdominis externus. This one, say musculus obliquus abdominis internus, and this one, musculus transversus abdominis. Did you get this?
Yes.
Well, now these are blue color are bellies, red color of muscles. And then on that poster you saw that these bellies continues into aponeurosis.
Yes.
So above in the upper part of abdomen, aponeurosis of musculus obliquus abdominis externus, it passes anterior to musculus rectus abdominis. It passes like that, in front of this muscle. Aponeurosis of musculus obliquus abdominis internus, it goes closer to the border, lateral border of this muscle, and then this border, like knife, cuts this aponeurosis and divides it into two lamina, two layers. First layer is superficial, it passes anterior, and look in the midline, this aponeurosis fused together. Complete?
Yes.
Yeah. And another layer is deep layer, which passes behind this muscle and also fuses in the center, in the midline. Same from the another side. Aponeurosis goes to the lateral border of musculus rectus abdominis and is divided into two layers. So this one is superficial layer, but this one is deep layer. Deep layer. And finally, aponeurosis of musculus transversus abdominis, it passes behind the rectus abdominis muscle, but it also fuses in midline, because I said that all aponeurosis unite together between two musculus rectus abdominis in midline.
Yes. Okay.
And now, I hope you understand how this fusion is called. What is that? Linea alba abdominis. Linea alba abdominis. So, please remember that linea alba abdominis is connection of 6 aponeuroses, 3 from right side and 3 from left. Then musculus transversus abdominis and its aponeurosis from behind is covered by very thin fascia. Because this fascia covers musculus transversus, it is called fascia transversalis. Fascia transversalis. And the innermost layer like that. It is called parietal peritoneum. Parietal peritoneum. And then, after that, is our abdominal cavity, which contains internal organs. So that's why if you will carry out operation on organ of abdomen, of course, look how many layers you have to cut. Skin, then under the skin is superficial fascia. I can draw it to complete the schema. Superficial fascia. No, and then aponeurosis. So, and now where is vagina? Now you can find that musculus rectus abdominis is fully inside of aponeurosis. And this aponeurosis forms sheet or vagina for this muscle. And this vagina has two walls. First wall is anterior, this one, anterior wall. Anterior wall of vagina. Tell me please how this anterior wall is formed.
External and superficial aponeurosis of the
And superficial layer, not aponeurosis. Superficial layer of aponeurosis of internal internal oblique muscle of abdomen. So just two structures form anterior wall. Posterior wall is here. Posterior wall of aponeurosis, which consists of four layers. Which one?
Deep obliquous,
deep layer of
internus,
and then
Deep layer of what?
deep layer
Obliquous.
of obliquous
Obliquous.
No.
deep
Deep layer of what?
of
Of aponeurosis
Yeah.
of the internal oblique muscle of abdomen. Next.
aponeurosis of
Transversus
abdominis.
abdominis.
Then
Fascia
transversus.
That's all. So, and if anterior wall is together with superficial fascia and skin, so you can make conclusion that in the upper part of abdomen, anterior wall of vagina and posterior wall of vagina are equal. They are almost same. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers here, 1, 2 layers, but because skin and fascia is here also, so these two walls are almost same. So this is the upper part of abdomen. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's talk about formation of vagina in the lower part of abdomen. If I cut here, below, I can see same muscles. Same muscles. Then skin is here. Under the skin is superficial fascia, same layers. Then aponeurosis of transverse muscle of abdomen. It goes to the lateral margin and then it passes in front and fuses with contralateral layer. Aponeurosis of internal oblique muscle also passes in front, like that. And aponeurosis of external oblique muscle also in front, like that. So in the lower part of abdomen, aponeurosis is of all three lateral muscles of abdomen, they are in front of rectus abdominis muscle. So what is behind of this muscle? What is left?
Fascia.
Fascia transversalis is behind, and parietal peritoneal. Like that. And what we are seeing here, we see that anterior wall now is fully formed by 3 aponeuroses. But posterior wall is very thin. And it is formed by only very thin fascia and parietal peritoneum. So that's why you can make conclusion. In the lower part of abdomen, our anterior abdominal wall is thicker, is stronger in lower part of abdomen than in the upper part. I want to ask why.
The lower wall is thick. The anterior wall of the lower abdomen is thick. Why?
Why?
For the
Because it is
pregnancy
formed by-
maybe.
Because it is
For the
formed by-
pregnancy maybe.
Because it is formed
So,
by 3.
According to Hetvi, no need to have sperm. You have just 3 aponeuroses in front
To
of
protect
abdomen.
the weight of the body, maybe the muscles can hold it better because it's thick.
Maybe because it is formed by 3 aponeuroses, so it is thick.
Okay, but
But
I'm
why
asking
it is
why.
thick?
Why vagina is not same on the whole length of my abdomen?
Maybe the weight of the whole.
Yeah,
Weight
maybe the
of
weight
what?
of
They-
baby. To,
Baby, okay, why is this
so
for
it is
me?
same in male as well.
Of course.
Oh, so it's not the baby thing.
Maybe weight-
Sir, in the lower part there are too many organs,
And?
more than upper part.
And?
And
That's what I said to bear the weight.
अरे
of the
बे
No,
body
organ.
नहीं.
Organ.
You are saying
Organs,
Weight
too
of
many
body- weight of
organs.
organs is different.
Different. Yeah.
Yes.
Of course, all the organs of abdomen, they press down.
Yes.
And to prevent expansion of my lower part of abdomen, of course, I have to support it. That's why my lower part of abdomen must be stronger.
Yes.
You know, we already told about that if you will be all together, you'll be very strong. You'll be very strong. It is more stronger than if you will be different, separate from one another.
Yeah.
So that's why 3 aponeuroses in the lower part unite together to make our anterior abdominal wall stronger to hold weight of internal organs, which according to the gravity press down.
You said same in the pelvic part. It is called.
the pelvic thing, if you remember.
Yeah.
I remember.
Sorry.
She asked if I remember.
If I remember.
Yeah, okay. It's same. Yeah, why our pelvis is inclinated. So it's the same reason anterior abdominal wall is stronger, is thicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this